Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Bulalo Batangas. Let's do it. Now, here are the ingredients. We have, in the line of vegetables, we have cabbage, bochoy, pechay. We got corn. We have onions. We got finger hot chili and banana peppers. We got beef ribs here and beef neck, all with bones, And this is the very good cut for bulalo. We have salt and pepper, fish sauce, olive oil. We got bay leaves, whole peppercorn, salt, and garlic. We're gonna use also some chili flakes and water. We boiled the beef already, so this is close to tender now. So let's hit the stove. In our hot pot here, let's add some olive oil or vegetable oil. Okay. And we put our onions. We're using red onions here. See, red onions is tastier than any other onions. Let's give it a minute. Now we'll add some garlic. Now we'll add our beef. Okay. Let's put some salt. Fish sauce. And some pepper, ground pepper. All right. Now we'll add some beef broth from the pot that we used in boiling the beef a while ago. So, okay. We're gonna let the beef to get real tender. We're gonna have it, we're gonna simmer this for maybe 15 more minutes. But before that, we'll put the corn, okay? All right. All right. So, we'll cover this and wait 15 more minutes. Now let's check on the bulalo. All right. Okay. Now we can add our banana pepper and hot chili. All right. We'll give it a stir. Now let's check on our bulalo. Wow, smells so good. So we're gonna put our veggie now. We're gonna put the cabbage first, because this will take a little bit of time to cook. All right. Now let's check our bulalo. The cabbage is cooked already. Now we have to put our bochoy and pechay. This will take 2 minutes, and this is done in 2 minutes. Let's cover it. Here is the finished product, Bulalo Batangas. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.